Hi, welcome to Norman, the family man where faith meets family life. Today we're diving into one of the most common places for accidents in every home. The kitchen, from cuts to burns to boiling spills, these can happen fast. But with a calm heart, some basic first aid and faith-filled wisdom, we can turn panic into peace. Let's talk about what to watch out for, what to do, and how to teach your kids kitchen safety. The kitchen is truly the heart of our homes. It's where we gather for meals. It's where we share stories and laughter. Where the aroma of baking bread or simmering soup fills the air. This space is filled with so much love. It's a place of connection and nourishment, a place where memories are made daily. But with all this joy and activity, we must also remember potential dangers. The kitchen holds tools and heat. These things help us create wonderful food. Yet they can also lead to accidents, especially when we are busy or distracted. A little awareness can go a long way. It helps keep our loved ones safe. Kitchen safety isn't meant to create fear. It's about protecting our precious children and ensuring our home is a true haven, a place where everyone feels secure. Common kitchen hazards. Sharp knives are one of the biggest helpers. They chop vegetables for our stews. They slice fruit for morning snacks. But oh, they can cause painful ouchies, especially for curious little hands. These tools demand our utmost respect and careful storage when not in use. Always keep them out of easy reach. Hot surfaces are truly everywhere in the kitchen. The stovetop burners glow with heat. The oven radiates warmth as it bakes. Even a simple mug of tea can be very hot. Burns can happen in just a second. We must always be watchful and aware. Turning pot handles inward is a simple habit. Spills on the floor can be quite tricky. A splash of water, a drip of oil. These can create slippery, unsafe spots. It's so important to clean them up quickly, keeping our kitchen floors dry and clear. First aid for cuts and burns. When a small cut happens, try to stay calm. First, gently wash the area well. Use mild soap and clean running water. This helps to remove any dirt. Then carefully pat the skin dry. Apply a little bit of antiseptic ointment. This helps to prevent any infection. Next, cover the cut with a clean bandage. For deeper cuts, firm pressure is needed. Use a clean cloth or sterile gauze. Press down steadily on the wound. If bleeding is heavy or doesn't stop, seek medical help. For burns, cool water is the best first step. Hold the burned area under the water. Do this for about 10 to 20 minutes. This helps to soothe the stinging pain. It also helps to reduce skin damage. Finding calm and faith in accidents. Accidents can happen in any home. They can happen even when we are careful. It's a part of life with active families. When an ouchie occurs, your calm response is key. It is the most important first step. Your peaceful presence helps your child. It makes them feel safe and secure. Before you rush to act, take one deep breath. This small pause centers your mind. It allows you to think more clearly. It stops panic from taking over. You become a steady anchor for your child. Whispering a short, simple prayer can bring peace. Words like, "God, please grant us calm." Faith can provide incredible strength. It connects us to a power greater than ourselves. After the immediate care is given, cuddle your child close to you. Hold them tight and offer reassurance. Whisper words of love and comfort. Remind them that they are safe now. Teaching children kitchen safety. Start teaching kitchen safety early. Use simple rules they can understand. Phrases like "hot things can burn." Use clear, direct, and simple words. Young children learn best this way. Repetition is also very helpful for them. Show them how to be safe by example. Let them help with age-appropriate tasks. They can stir cool ingredients in a bowl. They can set the table with napkins. Learning by doing is very effective. Supervise them closely during these activities. Create a designated safe zone in the kitchen. This is a special spot for your child. They can play with quiet toys there. This keeps them safely out of harm's way. It offers peace of mind for everyone. Making it a family habit. Talk about kitchen safety often and openly. Don't wait until after an accident happens. Make it a natural part of cooking together. Let's remember to turn pot handles in. Can you check if the floor is clear? These small mentions reinforce good habits. They make safety a normal part of life. Create simple visual checklists if helpful. A little chart with pictures can work. Is the floor clear of toys? Are sharp knives put away safely? Are appliance cords tucked away? Visual reminders help everyone remember. Practice what you preach every single day. Our children watch everything we do. They are our most attentive students. If you are consistently careful and mindful, they will learn to be careful too. Be a positive role model for them. Safety, faith, and happy kitchens. Our kitchens are truly special, sacred places. They are spaces of nourishment and creativity. Let's always strive to keep them that way, filled with laughter, warmth, and joy, where delicious food is made with love. This is the heart of a happy home. Practicing kitchen safety is an act of love. It's how we protect our precious loved ones. This mindful care allows for more connection. It opens up space for beautiful shared moments. Safety allows freedom and joy to flourish. It is a gift we give our family. Prayer is our quiet, unwavering strength. It supports us in our daily tasks. A simple prayer centers us in God's loving care. It brings a sense of peace to our homes. It reminds us to be grateful. Faith underpins all we do. Let us generously sprinkle with prayer, and let us abundantly fill our kitchens with love. Let's make our kitchens not just places where meals are made, but where safety, love, and faith are cooked in too. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Go through a quick kitchen safety drill with your family today. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's one safety tip you use in your kitchen? And don't miss the next episode in our series, Slips and Falls at Home, Staying Safe in Every Room.